While at Seaventures, we did do some non-Sipadan dives. We dove at sites on Mabul Island 3 times and once on the House Reef. First up, Mabul Island. This was mostly a dive for our guide to assess our ability, so I didn't take too much video, plus my camera froze for about 20 minutes. It worked just fine when we ran into this guy though. I honestly thought this was fake when I first saw it. It's huge! The sites of Mabul are a mix of real reefs and artificial reefs. Say hello, Iris. Next up is the Seaventure House Reef, right underneath the rig. This is an artificial reef bursting with life. We did an assessment dive on here already with our guide and we're familiar with the place. So we actually did this dive on our own, which was really cool. I don't know the name of these fish, but they were Iris's favorite due to their big eyes. Next up for your viewing pleasure, 2 more dives on Mabul Island. A lionfish. When I saw one in Fiji, I freaked out a bit in excitement. Now, I can't even count how many I have seen. Thanks, Sipadan and Mabul Islands. Can you spot the eel in this structure? Look for the mouth opening in the hole. A purple nudibranch. This might have been Iris's favorite fish we saw, despite what I said earlier. Nature is just amazing. Watch this fish change colors before our eyes. This nudibranch made a lot of progress in the short time we were at the bottom with him. Our time diving here in the waters of Sabah was just incredible. When I was a kid, I would read about Borneo in National Geographic and wonder if I would ever get to visit a place so distant and exotic. I have been able to visit this amazing place multiple times since we've moved to Malaysia, and it gets more incredible every time. Jumpa lagi, Sabah. I hope we meet again one day.